In today's video, I want to heavily insist on the role of understanding and controlling your pelvis if you want to sit properly at work, at home, in the car, wherever. Welcome, I'm Olivier Girard, ergonomist, posture therapist, author of the Posture Manual, and creator of 3 online posture programs. We'll look at 5 different configurations of the pelvis and we'll try to recognize which one is which. So let's take a very short break, look at the 5 of them and try to imagine in your head which one corresponds to which posture. Let's go. So let's take them one by one. You see, posture number 1 is when your pelvis is tilted forward. When your pelvis is tilted forward, your back hollows. The result of that is strain on the intervertebral cartilage and on the lower back muscles. Now let's go to the other extreme. When you see a pelvis that is tilted backwards, well, this is a sign of a round back. And if you see that the pelvis is not only tilted backwards, but that it slides into the seat pan, well, you know that the person is sticking his or her shoulder blades on the backrest, which creates a momentum and makes the chair push the pelvis forward. This is especially if your chair is blocked, because what can happen when the chair is free is rather this, so you increase the angle of the pelvis. In the middle, we have what's called a neutral position, which is when your back is flat. That means neither round nor hollow. That's the posture in which I am now. But you see, I'm not going to stay there for more than 2-3 minutes. In 2-3 minutes, you're going to see me back in the posture that we just discussed. So if I want to avoid that, what should I do? I should get something behind the top corner of my pelvis, which is what you can palpate here as being the 2 bony protrusions behind your belt. And I'm going to stick these bony protrusions against the lower part of the backrest, called the lumbar support, and this is going to help me stabilize my posture. So you see, the big theories on posture are cool, but visualizing and feeling is an important, much more important step in understanding how you sit and how you should sit. If you want to palpate the pelvis and see what it does, well, there's a simple trick. You put your hands under your sitting bones and you will feel the movement of the pelvis on top of your hands and recognize the five postures that we have just discussed.